Hello, family and friends. I am so glad that you're joining me today. I am going to be posting weekly now, starting this week. And I am going to be posting about a journey that I'm on. That way I'm going to be accountable. I've been trying really hard to lose weight and I'm having a difficult time. And so I've decided to start a fast. And my doctor is aware of it. But I'm going to share with you what my experiences are, what my failures are, and I've already had a couple, but and how I've pivoted, because I really need to succeed at this. I got to get my weight off so I don't end up with health issues, which I can feel in my body. That's where I'm headed. So I did start a fast on July 5th, and today is the 14th. I have dropped 12 pounds, and it has not been easy. I did really good on the 5th, the 6th, the 7th. The 8th, I was so hungry, I couldn't fight it. And so before I started this, I just got everything out of the house, food-wise. So I thought. But then I had string cheese, and I used that to train my dogs with, and I actually ate 3 of them. So that didn't work, and that ended up breaking the fast. And I'm trying to get to a stage that it takes 7 days of water fasting to get to autophagy. And autophagy is where, as I understand it, the body starts flushing any disease, damaged cells that are not healthy. And that's a very hard process to get to. But that is my goal. I do want to lose weight. I do want to heal my body. So I will tell you, I have no medical experience, whether it be Western or any alternative medicines or health, I don't know what you'd call it, but health programs. But I am learning. There is one gentleman that I do follow faithfully, very informative. I've learned so much about my body that I didn't know before. And it's Dr. Stein Eckberg. I'll put the link below. But I wanted to share this with you. I will be posting weekly. It's going to be a little bit different because it's going to be more about healthy foods instead of all the desserts, which I do enjoy baking, but it's going to have to change for a while. I'm giving myself 1 year, and we'll just see how it goes and how many times I have to pivot and change, which I do a lot. And hopefully I'll be able to get down to my targeted weight by the end of the year. And if I do, I am going windsurfing. I am just so excited to learn how to do that. But anyway, today I have a twofer for you. I'm going to show you a little snack, which is cucumber and seasoned rice vinegar that marinades. It is just refreshing when it's hot. And we've had several days over 100 degrees. We're in Paso Robles, California. And the other one is an avocado, cucumber, cilantro, lime, and I'm using a C8 MCT oil as well in that. Anyway, let me get to the kitchen and let's just get this going. Okay, here I am in the kitchen. Got all my ingredients pulled together. This is really simple and easy. Nice to have in the refrigerator, so when I do get hungry, I can grab this instead of things that are not so good for you. And this is an avocado cucumber salad with cilantro. And I'm using an English cucumber. And the thing about an English cucumber that I like, the seeds are smaller, easier to eat. The skin is not so tough, so it makes it a really nice cucumber. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use half the cucumber and 2 avocados. I really like avocados, and they have a really good healthy fat. This is what I'm learning. So I'm going to start by cutting the cucumber in half, and then we'll go from there. The English also come wrapped in plastic because the skin is thinner, so it's to help protect the skin from getting blemishes. While I do this, the other half, I'm going to slice it up and put it in a mason jar. And I have a big bowl over here. I'm going to throw everything in for the salad. I've switched to all clear glass. I don't have plastic bottles anymore. I think that's another health issue that we're dealing with, is the plastic particles that are in our body. This is just things that I'm learning. These are my own personal opinions. They're not, I just want to make that real clear that I'm not a professional at anything of this. All I know is I want to get healthy. I'm doing the research, trying to figure out what's going to work for me, which is, you know, everybody has their own journey and has to figure it out. But for me, so far, this has been working. And I told you before that the first 3 days I did well. And then after that, I had a really hard time. And I was eating string cheese the next several days in the evening. I could make it until the evening, but then the evening came, and it's like I lost all control. So I thought, this isn't going to work, because that's not a good thing to eat. It's harder on the body, especially when you are fasting. So I did some more research, and what I'm going to do is I am going to do intermittent fasting right now, where I eat 1 meal a day, which will be in the evening when I have my difficult time. I'm going to do that for the rest of this month. And then come August, I'm going to see if I can make it to 4 days, because I'm down to fasting 1 day. That's my plan. We'll see what happens. In September, we'll see if I can make it to 5. I really want to get to that 7-day autophagy stage. So my avocados, I just rock it down till I hit the seed. I pull it to the point, and then I just spin it all the way around, and I don't think this avocado is ripe. What I do when I slice up my avocados, I do it right in the skin, and I take my knife and just very carefully cut it down one way. And this is how I dice avocados. And then I go the other way. I can turn the skin inside out, and they all just pop out. But I don't know if that's going to happen on this one. Nope, got to get a spoon. So we're just going to go ahead and scoop this all out. So when you're shopping, if you're going to make this recipe, make sure you get ripe avocados. Still tastes like avocado. Let's try this one. It feels a little bit softer. I'm just going to rock it around. Goes right back to where I started. Give it a spin. Yeah, not quite. Okay, I'm just going to, with the cilantro, take some off. And then I'm going to gather it up and just carefully just chop it. Oops. I need an overhead camera. So I just want to dice this up into little bits. I'm going to throw this in my bowl. Okay, Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of lime juice. That will keep it nice and fresh. Pure C8 MCT oil. And there's apparently a lot of benefits to this. And like I said, I'm still learning. But it's supposed to be a really good source of healthy oils. And this is all there is to it. Just mix this up really good. I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple days to let the avocados hopefully ripen up a little bit more. But then I put these, I have little 1 cup container. They're glass containers with lids. So I'll put that in the containers, and when I feel that pang of hunger that I can't seem to control, I don't know if I don't have good willpower or what, but I'll just grab and have that, and it works. It curbs my hunger. So now we're going to take the other half of the cucumber and just slice it up. And actually, you can cut these as thin or as thick as you prefer. Then I take my seasoned rice vinegar, fill it up. Put the lid on it. Put it in the refrigerator overnight, and that's it. It is that simple. And it is just, like I said, really refreshing. And I like the sharpness of the rice vinegar. Anyway, so I hope you join me next week and see where I'm at and what new recipe I'm going to try. And I hope you have a fabulous week. Until next time, bye.